partners, it's Bo, and I'm back.
We're home.
Sorry, Chief. Toad in me throat.
We've got another exciting episode, and we're reviewing Danger Mouse.
They aren't sweet. They're mini particle fusion bombs.
So here I am, it's me, Bo, Danger Mouse. So we've got the Talk and Pose Danger Mouse. We've got the Mark IV Danger Car with pop-out wings. We got a Launch and Fly Penfold over here. And we've got the Zipline Danger Mouse. Looks like fun. We got the Secret Agent Kit. Just open up these babies and see what's inside. Got my badge here, and I've got my belt here. I'm not Danger Mouse. Now I am.
Hello, Mr. Big Mouse. You have to shake Mr. Snuggles' hand too.
Ah, hello, Mr. Snuggly.
This is the Danger Mouse Zipline, and it's Danger Mouse to the rescue. Whee! This is the Penfold launcher, and Penfold is always near Danger Mouse's side. Launch Penfold in 1, 2, 3. Boom! So it's a nice little model. He fits into these boots very easily. And then you basically put him on this bouncy thing in him. He launches off. So moving up to the bigger toys, it's Danger Mouse's car. That looks sweet, doesn't it? So here's one I opened earlier. It's just a normal car, a little Danger Mouse car. So there has pop-up wings. Look at the side. Here's the button, the black button here. Danger Mouse presses the button. Boom. You get a model Danger Mouse with it. Hi. No Penfolds or anything like that, but you do get a secret little base. If the bad guys see Danger Mouse, you can open his back, go in here and track them out. And I really like the back. I really like the back of the lights. They're really cool. He's even got a booster so he can. So finally, let's look at the Talk and Pose Danger Mouse. He has bendy knees. Sounds like Danger Mouse is getting old. His eye patch is actually, it glows in the dark. So if we put it in really darkness, it glows in the dark. That doesn't sound right. Yeah.
There's only one hero around here.
That's the demo. And the zero here, off. And then the other one, it means he says different things.
There's only one hero around here. Come on, Penfold.
Come on, Penfold.
Come on, Penfold.
What?
Danger Mouse's word is his bond. Come on, Penfold. Come on, Penfold. There's only one hero around here. Ooh. Activate eye patch.
And he has some jetpacks here. They're really stuck onto him. So yeah, that's good. So partners, I hope you like my special Danger Mouse episodes. You could subscribe to my channel if you like to see some more Bo videos, Bo Toy Farm videos. Yes, good. Yeah.
Well, Dawn, it was lovely having you here, but it's time to go.
So I'm on the Fairy Liquid advert on TV. But then the sad thing is it's the last time you're going to see me with long hair. I'm going to be, hey, I'm a fashion dude, yeah, man, I'm a fashion dude, yeah. And that's pretty sad. But I'm still going to do videos. That's not going to stop me because I love doing this job. And my last word is, bye-bye, partners. See you next time. Remember to watch Danger Mouse. Bye.